Hi guys, it's Amir. It's Amir, the Rivals King, right here. So we're gonna 1v1 a bacon. I don't want people hack, so yeah. And I don't know why. Oh guys. Guys. I didn't know he'd gonna have that. Yeah. You see, guys, that's how I play Rivals because I'm the king of the Rivals. But Shake Shot Boy is good. Okay, I almost killed him, but he's not hacking. Okay, this is my favorite area. Okay. You see, this is my favorite. And yeah, I'm so sorry for the kids. I'm trying to tell them to be quiet because I'm doing a video. Yeah. Yeah, I'm full seeking to. Where is he at? No, I didn't know he was here. Oh my god. Okay, I'm using that gun. Oh my god. Is this guy hacking? Let me use the sniper real quick. Huh? Oh, got him in the headshot. Dang, that's cool. Let him cook. Let him cook. Okay, what? Let me get food. Ooh. They're not gonna come. And he's coming right now. Got him. I know. I'm cooked. I'm really cooked, guys. I never see a bacon this one. I swear, never. Guys, I'm gonna end it. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the sub button. And yeah. This is a last round. I can't do it. Yeah, I'm ending. I'm ending it.